Hey there and welcome to another video. After watching this video, you will be able to create your own stunning website and amaze your audience for free on Blogger. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is to open any web browser and search for Blogger. Once you open Blogger, you will have to sign in into your Google account by clicking on this sign in button over here. Alright, so after signing in, it will ask you for a few details such as your Blogger profile. Here you have to type in your name and it can be your pen name or even your real name. Now simply after typing that, you need to click on continue. Alright, so now your Blogger account has been created. So in order to create a new blog, you need to click here. Now once you click on that, it will ask you to type in some details about your website. Here you have to type in the title of your website. It is basically the name which will be displayed on the top of your website. Just like YouTube is being displayed over here on the top. And here you have to type in the address which you need to use which you like to use for your website. It can be anything you wish, but it should contain .blogspot.com in the end. Okay, so now once you put the title and the address of your website, it will say you that check availability for the web address. So now you have to type in the web address which you need, and once that is available, you are good to go. Now choose a theme of your choice for your website. Simply click on any theme over here. But don't worry, we are going to change it later because there are some more and awesome themes provided by Blogger which you can access after creating the blog. So now just go for any theme from here. For now I'll go for this one or this one right here and simply click on create blog. Now if you want to buy a domain name for your blog, then you can check its availability, or else you can just click on no thanks and continue. So now you have successfully created your website. Let us take a look at it. Simply click on view blog to view your blog as the name says. So it doesn't look any special, right? Don't worry, the video is still not completed. I will show you that how you can fully customize your website within minutes. So let's get back to Blogger and start customizing our website. Now go back to Blogger and go to theme tab from here. Alright, here we are. See, there are a whole bunch of themes available over here. Now choose the theme that best suits your content and simply customize it. So for doing that, you need to first select a theme and click on this magnifying glass over here to customize that theme. So for now, I will go for, let's say, this one. There are a whole bunch of themes available, so you have a wide variety of content. So now I'll go for this website right here. Let us click on that magnifying glass for previewing it. And once you are satisfied with the website or the theme, then you can just click on customize button from here. Now you must be confused after seeing so many tabs and buttons over here, but don't worry, I'm here. So let us begin the customization. So this is how your website will look like after you have selected this particular theme. The first thing that you have to look for is the title of your website, because that is the first thing that anyone notices once he visits your website. So if you are satisfied with what is displayed over here, then it's cool, or else for changing that, you simply need to click on the advanced tab over here and just select the blog title option over here. Now here you can edit the blog title. So for changing the font of the title, you need to search the fonts over here. There are some online fonts available as well which you can add, but for now I'll go for, let's say, this one. No, that looks kinda bad. Okay, this one was cool. I will just increase the size a little bit. 50 is fine, and I like to keep the color as white. So the next thing that you would need to address is the background of your page. So for changing or editing that, simply go to the background tab from here, and if you want to change the background image of your blog, then you would need to click here. And as you can see, there are pretty much lot of cool looking background images already available here. You can select anyone from this depending upon the content you would like to post. Since I'm creating a travel website, so I would select an image that suits my content the most. So I guess I would choose something from here, and this one looks the best for my content. So I'll just click on done, and that background will be applied to your blog. Now you can select the main color theme of your website. For changing the background color of your website, you need to click on this button right here, and you can just switch around different colors from here, which one you would like, or there are just suggested themes available as well over here. For now, I'll go for this color right here cause it matches with the background of the image of my website. Alright, so now you must be seeing that your website is taking shape. Now here in the advanced tab, you can fully customize your website by adding let's say a search box on the top, or adding some certain gadgets. Don't worry, I will surely come to that. Okay, so in this links section, you can basically change the color of the link on your blog. You can further customize it by selecting the visited link color and the link hover color. Alright, so currently we haven't created any tabs, so this option won't be any useful, but I will show you that how you can create tabs for your blog. Just under that is the post option, where you can change the post title color. A dark color always suits any web page or blog, so I'll go for the dark color over here, and of course you can change that accordingly. You can also change the post title font, stream font, or the post text font. And you can also change the colors of those particular fonts. Alright, so now here in the width tab, you can change the sidebar width, the content width, and the content margin. You can just play with that and just see that what looks the best for your website. So you can just play with that and check which suits the best and which looks the best for your content. Now you can further customize your blog by tweaking in some settings over here. But if I would cover all the settings, then this video would get long and might get boring for some of you. So I would try to keep it short and sweet. So now once you take all the little details on your website, simply click on apply to blog, and that will be applied to your blog. Now click on back to blogger button over here. And once you click on view your blog, this is how your website would look like. So as you can see, it looks much better than before. But it looks kinda incomplete, right? Yeah, absolutely, it doesn't have any content. So let us add some. In simpler words, now it's the time to create a post. So for doing that, just get back to Blogger and click on this post tab over here. Once you land on this page, you have to click on new post to create a new post. Here you can see little bit familiar layout like the one which you see in Microsoft Word. Three main things over here is the link, the images, and the videos, which you can add onto your blog from here. I think you must be familiar with all the other options present over here. Once you finish writing, that is adding images, text, links, etc. on your post, simply click on publish and your post must be visible and live on your website. And if you would have enjoyed this video, then don't forget to subscribe with the notifications turned on, and smash that like button and turn it from gray to blue for more such videos from this side. So that is all for this video. Catch you in the next one.